Welcome to Chemistry with DB. So here's in my series on the toughest combustion analysis questions. Here is the question number 3 and you can see it here. So when 10 centimeters cube of a hydrocarbon was reacted with oxygen excess 90 centimeters cube, then we have to find out the formula of the hydrocarbon. Now from the previous question you already know that this is the equation that we are going to have. Now let's see what do we have. Now here we had 10 centimeters cube of the hydrocarbon and this was reacted with 90 centimeters cube of excess oxygen. Now the final volume was 70 centimeters cube, which after the CO2 was removed remained 40. So that means obviously the amount of carbon dioxide that remained was 70 minus 40, which was equal to 30 centimeters cube. From here you can see that the ratio of the hydrocarbon and carbon dioxide was 1 to 3. So therefore the X here was 3. Now let's see what else do we have. Now when the mixture was cooled, then the final volume was 70 centimeters cube. So that 70 centimeters cube was equal to the unreacted oxygen and also the carbon dioxide which had formed in this reaction. So 70 minus carbon dioxide, which was 30 centimeters cube, that was the amount of unreacted oxygen here. So which is equal to 40 centimeters cube. 90 minus 70 minus, yeah, so 40 centimeters cube. So if 40 centimeters cube of oxygen remained unreacted, and to begin with we had 90 centimeters cube, so that means the amount of oxygen which reacted was 90 minus 40 centimeters cube or 50 centimeters cube. Now if CXHY was 10 and the oxygen that reacted with this was 50, so that means the ratio of CXHY to oxygen was 1 to 5. Now oxygen number of moles here was X plus Y divided by 4. If that's equal to 5, and X, as you know, we had found out already that this was 3. So we can see that Y divided by 4 is equal to 2 and therefore Y is equal to 8. So therefore the formula becomes of the CXHY is C3H8. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Take care and bye bye.